1006. So, that was a required legal disclaimer, but I'd like to add a few words on my own. Brothers and sisters, I have a confession to make. I haven't invented anything. I haven't invented a sandwich. I haven't invented a candle, and I haven't invented the stock market. None of the strategies that I plan to employ are my own. Rather, they are a synthesis of other people's strategies that I mix and match to my liking. I'm not an instructor or educator, and furthermore, I don't even consider myself an expert. This whole phenomenon of social media, including YouTube, has become very toxic, especially in the day trading sector. People claim ridiculous things. So, I'm telling you right off the bat, I haven't invented anything. It's not mine. Last but not least, I do not have any Discord, Telegram, Instagram or whatevergram accounts. I don't get lost in Nigeria with no money to fly back home. I will not approach you with any brilliant ideas or any sort of courses that will make you rich. Okay, then, what is this all about? Brothers and sisters, this channel aims to take day trading out of the hands of the billionaire class and put it into the hands of working families. Brothers and sisters, I know exactly how you feel. You just spent 8 hours shoveling coal into the furnace. Your back hurts, your arms hurt, your legs hurt. You are finally back home from work and more than ready to nuke a slice in the microwave, pop up a can of cold one, drop your behind on the couch and turn on the game. But, brothers and sisters, we all know in the heart of every red-blooded proletarian there is a little evil oil baron, and instead you're going to blow off dust from your grandpa's desktop, turn it on and see what the markets are trying to tell you. Yes, I know how it is. Brothers and sisters, I'm with you. Like Sean, I am with you all the way. Let's eat the rich. Or better yet, become rich ourselves instead. With this in mind, I joined 3 day trading competitions. I know there are more than 3. I found about a dozen or so, but I chose to participate in just 3 of them. The 3 that I have selected to participate in are Funded Next, the Funded Trader and the Alpha Capital Group. Since those prop firms are new to me, I wouldn't be able to tell you very much about those companies. I did some cursory research and they seem to be okay, but my own experience with those companies, for all intent and purposes, is non-existent. I do have a bit more experience in the futures prop firm space, and on the futures prop firm side I do have my favorites. I recommend Top Step and Take Profit Trader. Those are the only 2 futures prop firms that, to my knowledge, certifiably will put you in the real market once you get funded. With the rest it's all shrouded in mystery, and for the most part even after you get funded you'll be trading on a simulator essentially against other challenge participants. It's a rather shady practice from my perspective. So, that's reason number 1 that I recommend Top Step and Take Profit Trader. Another reason is that those are the only 2 prop firms to my knowledge that have dedicated trade desks. There is actually a phone number that you can call if things go south for you, for example, if your internet is out, or you're living in a cave with the walls, and there is a power outage. You can actually call the trade desk and they will close your trades for you. To my knowledge, no other prop firms, besides those 2, have dedicated trade desks. Last but not least, those companies are the gold standard in terms of how they handle data interruptions. Yes, those things do happen. They don't happen all too often, but they do happen from time to time. And as they say, a friend in need is a friend indeed. I like to paraphrase it as the ones who aren't your friends in need aren't your friends at all. So, for example, when there are data interruptions, Top Step will give their challenge participants free resets. With other prop firms, in my experience, when there are data interruptions, they will give you a fat middle finger. Yeah, that's all you'll get from them. That's a sad reality. But I digress. Last Saturday, March 9th, 2024, on this channel I gave the full breakdown of my plan for the week and what trades I plan to take on what day and so on. However, a strange thing happened when I tried trading yesterday. I tried to log in into MetaTrader with my Funded Trader credentials, which the Funded Trader emailed me, but I couldn't. I tried again and again, but nothing. Bummer. So I went over to their website and wait for this, evidently for whatever reasons. Unbeknownst to me, they will not hold any competition in March. This is so weird, because they let me register and provided me with the login credentials, but then, evidently they cancelled it. Weird. But I thought, okay, that's why I joined 3 competitions and not one, so I thought I'd try my luck with the Alpha Capital Group. And no dice there either. I had a lovely exchange with someone named Karen, and she informed me that they will not have any competitions in March either. What sort of conspiracy is this? Is this because the International Women's Day is in March? Is that the reason? Brothers and sisters, in your heart of hearts, do you think Elon Musk has something to do with this? I bet he does. But that's not where it ends. Oh no. Brothers and sisters, it gets worse. Remember, I have 3 competition accounts. So I go to my 3rd one, Funded Next, and there, ready for this. There is a little notice that the citizens of the land of milk and honey are banned from participating. Funded Next is based in the United Arab Emirates. Brothers and sisters, do you think a B-52 can solve this issue? I bet it will. I guarantee it will. So, at this point, I am livid. But, brothers and sisters, do you, like myself, believe that everything in life is in balance? You lose some, you gain some, that sort of thing. As I'm sitting there and brooding, a little pop-up goes off on my TradingView chart. It says, do you want a premium subscription for 1 month for $1? Hell, yeah, I want a premium subscription for $1, so I go for it. Brothers and sisters, check this out. $1 bloody, you get 8 charts, 25 indicators per chart, 400 price alerts. Can you believe this? All for $1 lousy. Oh, I am in heaven. It's like I'm in a candy store. No, better. It is as if Tesla got unionized. And then it gets better. Just when you think it can't get any better, it gets better. As I'm playing around on TradingView salivating over my $1 premium subscription, I find out that TradingView has a competition. That's right. TradingView has apparently its own competition. So, what a man to do? To register, of course. The competition itself is interesting. Well, as far as cash prizes, it's pretty tough. Only 5 prizes, but brothers and sisters, there is a big but. And the big but is if you stay in the competition and trade for at least 10 days and end up with a profit of only $2,500, you get a premium subscription for 1 month. Now, that's better. So, they call their competition the Leap. There are only 4 instruments that you can trade, and there are some limits on position sizes. You have to trade for at least 10 days, but that's pretty much all the rules. It's not bad. Oh yes, your starting balance is 250k, which isn't bad either. With other competitions, it's usually 100k. So, earlier today around 1 o'clock I saw some good entry points on Euro US dollar, Bitcoin and gold. So, I placed the trades with the largest allowed bid size. At this point around 5 p.m, one of the trades, namely gold, hit the stop. So that was a loss of about $400. However, Bitcoin didn't disappoint. It's $2,000 in profit at the moment, and the trade is still open. As far as moving forward from this point, let's take a look at the financial juice. I'm using the free version of it. Our newfound interest is in 4 instruments, Euro US dollar, S&P 500, Bitcoin and gold. So, since we only focus on 4 particular instruments that we are going to trade for the Leap competition, there is no news of Wednesday that are of interest to us. On Thursday, we have major red news at 8:30 a.m. in the US. Do you think it will move the 4 instruments that we're following? I bet it will. On Friday at 9:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. sharp, we have red news in the US that also has the potential to move our instruments. Next, I plan to go live tomorrow, Wednesday, March 13th, in the 5 to 7 p.m. window. Brothers and sisters, keep it up. Before you know, you'll be a billionaire. Okay, peace out.